Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. Hope all you're doing well. I am a die-hard fan of peanut butter, and today is National Peanut Butter Lovers Day, and I've got a treat for y'all. I'm going to share with all of y'all some peanut butter chip cookies, and this is one of my popular recipes here on my channel I have done 3 years ago, but I decided to redo it and update it. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. And if y'all a fan of peanut butter, y'all gonna love these cookies. And once you bite into these, you'll be in peanut butter heaven. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also check out my peanut butter bread recipe. And for more cookie recipes, check out my cookie recipes playlist and my previous video, fried ice cream. I'll post the link to those down below in the description box. So grab your cookie sheet, your peanut butter, and your peanut butter chips, sugar, because we're about to bake some peanut butter chip cookie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep up our dry ingredients. I'm using self-rising flour, and we need 1.5 cups. And if you don't have self-rising flour, you can use all-purpose flour. Just add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So we're going to start with my 1 cup measurement. Going to fluff it up. And using my knife, we're going to level it off to get an even cup. Voila, perfect cup. Now we need 1/2. Again, we're going to fluff it up and level it off. And the perfect 1/2 cup. And into our self-rising flour, we're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And we're going to whisk these all together, or you can sift them if you like, until they're well incorporated. Alrighty, so now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my stand mixer with the paddle attachment, or you can use a large bowl with an electric hand mixer, I have 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick, or 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 6 tablespoons of margarine, and they're both at room temperature. And I like to use the combination of butter and margarine. It's going to give the cookies a great texture. And into our butter and margarine, we're going to add in our sugars, 1 cup each of white sugar and packed light brown sugar. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're fluffy. Alright, my friends, next we're going to add in 2 extra large eggs at room temperature. Going to add in 1 at a time. Mix until it's well blended. Next, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and mix that in. Alright, my friends, next we're going to add in 1 cup of peanut butter, and I'm using the creamy, or you can use the crunchy. And we're going to mix that in until it's well combined. Alright, my friends, now we're going to add in the flour mixture. Going to add it in a little at a time. Alright, last of the flour. And mix it in until it's well combined. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing up my dough, and this is what it looks like. See how nice and thick that is? Excellent. And there's one more ingredient we got to add to it. 1 10-ounce bag of peanut butter chips. And fold those in. Oh, this is going to be amazing. This is the ultimate Peanut Butter Holic cookie. Alright, as soon as I get through folding in my peanut butter chips, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through folding in my peanut butter chips, so now we're going to cover the bowl with some plastic wrap. So now we're going to place the cookie dough in the refrigerator and we're going to let it chill for 1 hour until it's firm. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, our cookie dough is nice and firm. Perfect. Now we're ready to form them in the cookies. So we're going to use my cookie scoop. And we're going to scoop a dollop of the dough like so. And we're going to place it on a 9 by 13 inch cookie sheet that I line with parchment paper. Or you can use aluminum foil. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my cookies and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I got all my cookies together. Now we are ready to put them in the oven. Oven's preheated to 375 degrees. We're going to let them bake for 14 minutes. And I'll bring you back. My friends, I smell cookies. I just taken them out of the oven. And it smells heavenly. And look at the peanut butter chips. So now I'm going to let them rest in the pan for about 7 minutes. Alright, my friends, it's been 7 minutes. So now we're going to place our cookies onto a cooling rack. Okie dokie, so all we do now is let the cookies cool completely and then I'll plate them up. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Peanut butter chip cookies. Doesn't that look good? And we made them completely from scratch. So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I have fixed me up a plate. And of course, you can't have cookies without a good old glass of cold milk. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Look at this cookie. Nice and golden brown on the bottom. Have a bite. Look at that texture. Soft and chewy. And I love the gooiness of the peanut butter chips. Bursting with peanut butter goodness. These peanut butter chip cookies are fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Peanut butter chip cookie-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.